when somebody orders a Black Iron Ziti from our totally legitimate restaurant, it always brings me back to the old country. First, we start with a pound of ground beef from some worthless, degenerate gambling fuck that just won't give me my money. And then after it's browned, we add about 1 onion, diced up, and 6 cloves of garlic that are going to be minced. Minced like that fucking degenerate gambler that won't give me my money. Then we add a tablespoon of basil, oregano, and Italian seasoning. And then after you let the onion sweat a little bit, you want to add about a half a cup of red wine. And where do we get the red wine from? None of your fucking business. And after you let this cook a couple of minutes, just to cook that alcohol out, get that good red wine flavor, we're ready for the final ingredients to this wonderful sauce. That was a family secret of Johnny Boom Boom Canazzo. And that is you want to add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and then 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. And you want to basically simmer this till either your desired thickness or 45 minutes. I go to 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, let's start assembly. You need a nice little bit of that sauce we made, followed by ziti. And we season the ziti with a little bit of sauce, just enough so it doesn't stick together. And then we add some sweet Italian sausage on top of that. And then we add the finest mozzarella we got off the back of a truck from a guy who owed us some money. After that, you're all set. Just pop it into a preheated oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes or until the cheese reaches its desired consistency. And look at that, nothing finer. This is just like the ziti my grandma made me, but we had to get rid of her because she asked too many fucking questions. Hey boss, what do you think of this?
What the fuck?